Hey there, did you know a staggering 30% of people worldwide struggle with bad breath? That's almost 1 in every 3 people you meet. Welcome to Health Watch Daily, your go-to place for all things health. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not talked about enough but affects so many of us. Bad breath, or halitosis, as the experts call it. Now, let's get real for a moment. Halitosis isn't something a mint or a quick toothbrush swipe can always fix. We're here to dig deep into what really causes bad breath and how you can kick it to the curb. Ever felt anxious about your breath during a chat, or skipped a social gathering fearing bad breath might make an unwanted appearance? If that sounds like you or someone you know, you're not alone. Today's the day we face this unspoken challenge head-on. Here's a little nugget of truth to chew on. A whopping 90% of bad breath cases stem from issues right in our mouths, like dental plaque, tongue coating, or dry mouth. Surprising, right? The state of our mouth plays a huge role in how fresh our breath is. Let's break it down. Dental plaque, that sneaky film of bacteria on your teeth, not only leads to tooth decay and gum problems but also, you guessed it, bad breath. And what about tongue coating? It's this layer of food leftovers, dead cells, and bacteria chilling on your tongue. A big-time bad breath contributor. Lastly, let's not forget about dry mouth. Our saliva is like a natural mouthwash, but without enough of it, our mouth might start smelling not so great. Understanding these culprits is our first step towards fresher breath and boosted confidence. So stick around as we dive into how to turn the tide in your favor. But before we jump in, we'd love your support to keep our health-focused content flowing. Smash that like button and consider subscribing to Health Watch Daily. Your engagement helps us reach more folks like you, eager to stay health smart. A big thank you for joining our community. Now, on to tackling bad breath. It all boils down to one thing: your oral hygiene game. Starting with the basics, brushing and flossing aren't just good habits, they're your first line of defense. Brushing twice a day fights off that plaque and the bacteria party happening in your mouth. And hey, your tongue's a hotspot for these bacteria, so give it some love with a gentle brush too. Flossing is your secret weapon in getting to those tricky spots between your teeth where your brush can't reach. Daily flossing can drastically cut down your chances of gum diseases and bad breath. Don't forget about regular dental checkups. Your dentist isn't just there for the tough times, they're key in catching potential issues early and giving your teeth the professional clean they deserve. But wait, there's more. Your lifestyle plays a massive role too. A diet low in sugar and high in fiber, coupled with staying hydrated, can do wonders for your oral health and breath. Dry mouth, a major bad breath villain, can be kept at bay just by drinking enough water. For those dealing with chronic or serious bad breath, professional treatments might be the way to go. Whether it's a deep dental cleaning, medications, or tackling an underlying health issue, getting expert help can make a world of difference. So yes, while bad breath is a common issue, the power to beat it is totally in your hands. Good oral hygiene and a healthy lifestyle can do wonders. And remember, seeking professional advice is always a smart move. Now, let's get you into action mode. Take a close look at your oral care routine. Are you brushing and flossing like a champ? Keeping your tongue and hydration in check? If not, now's the time to step up your game. We're throwing down a challenge. Pick one tip from this video, apply it for a week, and share your journey in the comments. We can't wait to hear how it goes. Got any personal hacks or experiences in managing bad breath? Drop them in the comments. Let's create a space where we can all learn and grow towards better oral health. Together, we can conquer bad breath and reclaim our confidence. And last but not least, if you found this video valuable, we'd appreciate it if you could like it and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us reach and educate more people about these essential health topics. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.